Hello, this is Crypto Street. Welcome to subscribe my channel. I am Violet. Today is the 22nd of June, 2022. This video we will talk about 3 AC and Celsius. Crypto Turmoil latest. 3 Arrows Capital Creditor list Unveiled and Celsius asks creditors to go long on crypto. With coin prices still very tentatively recovering and some even forecasting the end of crypto winter, optimists will hope that the darkest days of the crypto crunch are behind us. But things are still hot in the world of the bankrupt duo Celsius Cell, a crypto lender, and 3 Arrows Capital, a major crypto hedge fund. Here is what has been going on with both. 3 Arrows Capital. Court documents from Singapore, removed from the internet but still viewable via the Wayback Machine, have revealed the 3 Arrows Capital creditor list. With Digital Currency Group, the operator of the brokerage Genesis, filing a $1.2 billion claim. The Digital Currency Group was quoted as telling the blog that both the DCG and Genesis balance sheets remain strong. The group said it had no remaining exposure to 3 Arrows Capital and that Genesis continues to be well capitalized. Other 3 Arrows Capital creditors include the operator of the crypto exchange Deribit, DRB Panama, which lent 3 Arrows Capital Bitcoin BTC 1300 and Ethereum ETH 15,000, or was some $51 million at the time of writing. The aforementioned Celsius network also took a hit, lending some $75 million worth of USD-pegged stablecoin tokens. Other crypto players on the list include Voyager Digital, CoinList, Fiancé Capital, and Falcon's Voyager, which has also filed for bankruptcy, lent some $685 million in BTC and ETH. Also per the blog, Falcon X and CoinList rejected the notion that they were in any kind of financial trouble as a result of their exposure to SunC. Falcon said its balance sheet is the largest it has ever been, while CoinList said that 3 Arrows Capital's default doesn't affect any user funds, only assets from our own balance sheet. The latter added that it had raised a $100 million series of funding round in October 2021 and has years of runway. 3 Arrows Capital's founders and their spouses also filed claims. Kelly, the wife of co-founder Carl Davis, filed a claim of some $66 million, with co-founder Jusu submitting a $5 million claim. Bloomberg remarked, "It is not immediately clear how 3 Arrows was structured to allow you to be a creditor. Nobody knows where Ju and Davis are currently located, but during online liquidation proceedings, both attended a Zoom call, albeit with their cameras off and microphones muted." Meanwhile, at 7:31 UTC on Tuesday morning, BTC is down 1% in a day and 2% in a week, trading at USD 21,788. Celsius. During its own bankruptcy hearing, lawyers explained that Celsius owes 500,000 creditors over USD 5 billion. Proceedings got underway yesterday, with advocates representing the firm submitting a detailed document on the company's financial status to the court. The firm is filing for a reorganization bankruptcy, which is a bid to temporarily halt civil cases from creditors, giving the company the breathing space it needs to rearrange its finances and finally repay debts. Pat Nash, Celsius lead attorney, has effectively asked creditors to take a long-term view and wait for market prices to recover. He explained that the company's mining arm is minting Bitcoin 14.2 per day and is looking to scale up its operations. Per a Financial Times reporter covering the case, Nash stated, "The vast majority of our customers are going to be interested in riding out this crypto winter, remaining long crypto, having the opportunity to realize their recovery through an appreciation in the crypto macro environment. Celsius assets do not amount to much. And what is more, click the link below and register Lbank exchange and start to earn." This is Crypto Street. See you next time.